No way, Johnny. My jail is super high security.
Hey, sir.
I have to go. Hey, girl, you don't have any makeup with you, right?
No makeup.
I don't believe you. Turn around. I want to see your bag.
Oh, darn.
Aha!
He found it.
What's all this makeup? You think you can fool me?
Sir, take this and give me my makeup back.
Huh? Are you kidding? No, I can't take money.
How about now?
Oh my god. Well, okay, but quickly, take all your makeup and go back to where you came from. And don't tell anybody about this.
Okay, sir. It just doesn't fit in my bag anymore. Maybe here? Oh, wait! I see some great opportunities to get this makeup to my girl Charlotte. I'll be right back.
3, 4, 5. You again! I said it clearly! You can't come in here with makeup! It's illegal!
But sir, I left my bag at home and I'm not carrying any makeup now.
Just in case, let me scan you. It's beeping. Let me do that again. It's beeping like mad! Turn around! What's this inside your hair?
Sir, it's a hair clip. Very trendy.
I'm confused. I don't see any makeup, but it's beeping. Not beeping. Beeping! Maybe it's broken? Ah!
Whoops! The makeup detectorium just knocked the officer out with electricity. It's time for Chloe to go while he is still in shock. Hey, friend, you came! Yes, what do you think about my outfit? Interesting. Those buttons. Actually, it's eyeshadow hidden under my dress. Oh, totally forgot. Here is something extra for you. A hair clip made of lip and eye pencils. Enjoy, my friend. Oh, Chloe, you are the best.
Stop right there! Are you carrying any weapons with you?
Me? Of course not.
Okay. Any makeup then?
But there's no sign prohibiting that.
Huh? Where did it disappear to? No. There you are. See? No makeup allowed.
Could you sign here, please?
Yes, of course.
I've got an idea.
Huh? Now the oranges are gone. What a strange day.
Firstly, make an orange replica from polystyrene. Cut it in half and place some dry powder inside. Now, spray it with orange paint and put a green leaf on top. Ta-da! It's done.
Hello. Uh-huh.
Hello. I brought some oranges for my friend.
Okay, but you can't go inside. I'll take them to her.
Nia doesn't like it, but she has no other option. What happened to your face? She discovered the fake orange. Ava ate too many oranges and now her face is covered in rashes. Good thing she got the dry powder. Now she can cover them. La la la. Oops. No makeup is allowed. The officer will confiscate my products when he sees them. Move. Don't you see a senior is coming through?
Good day, ma'am. Do you have any
young folks these days?
Not important. Please, go.
Wait, he let her through without checking. I have a brilliant idea.
Have a great day. Huh? Where's that girl? Hey, do you have any makeup with or on you? Me? Of course not.
Him? Move, young man. Hello. I'm a senior.
Is this really your document? The man in the picture looks different.
That's because I'm smiling there. Whoops! I dropped my teeth. That's awkward. Sorry, I should go now.
Wait a second. It would be better if I scan you.
Oh my! The scanner is beeping like mad! You are so busted, Sophia! What's that? That strange man dropped makeup? He said he had none. The officer is so mad now. But it's Sophia's lucky day. She can sneak to her friend while these two are arguing.
Get out! That's right! I don't want to see you here again!
Grandpa! Chloe, it's me in disguise! Oh, so cool! Look how much makeup I managed to sneak in for you! And that's not all! There are more in my cane! Enjoy, my friend! Wow, you are the best! The officer is sleeping. Chloe brought some makeup, but it's not allowed here.
Huh? You! No makeup is allowed! Come here, give it to me!
Uh-oh!
What was that? Maybe I'm still dreaming.
That wasn't a dream. Chloe stole a cleaner's outfit from a hanger.
Stop! What's that?
It's just dirty clothes.
Wait a second. No makeup is allowed!
Are you hiding makeup inside this box, Chloe?
You wouldn't mind taking my dirty clothes too, right?
Oh, of course, sir.
Very good. I haven't cleaned mine in a few days. Just some more. Here.
It seems that you haven't cleaned any of your clothes in months.
Thank you very much. I hope it's not too hard for you.
Of course not, sir. I'm glad to help you. Who's there? OMG, so heavy! What's that? Chloe was hiding the makeup under all those clothes. Charlotte found a police outfit. Let's have some fun. Voila! Look, the keys are here too. I'm free! Take this. And this. And this.
La la la. Huh?
He thinks I'm a real policewoman. Hello, colleague. Look what I found in this cell.
No way! Let me see! What is going on? You locked me up! Let me out! Oh no! Just not the makeup! I can't!
Cry, baby. Wake up!
Yes, sir! Huh? Who are you?
I came to take over your shift. Look! Hey, stop! No makeup! Show me your pockets. A lip gloss! It's confiscated now.
You are under arrest for breaking the rules. Good job, colleague!
It worked! Ava didn't recognize her friend, so she decided to tease her a little. Come here! What's inside your pockets? Ah! What's that? A hairbrush? Close your eyes! Wow! There was a lipstick hidden inside the truncheon! Oops! She was so excited, she painted Ava's hair with it! But Ava's not mad. She recognized her friend, and now she's asking her to paint more of her hair! I can't believe it! It really does look cool!
Yo! What is this? Can't you see the sign?
Oh no, sir! I didn't know!
You have to give it all to me.
Hello?
Oh, please, come through. Bad accident, right?
How come he's not checking her for makeup? I know! La 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 la! Whoa! Ouch! I've broken my leg!
Oh, gee! What to do?
Your floor is wet, and you don't have a sign up! It's unacceptable!
But, I don't know how it happened.
It's your fault! I'm going to sue you!
Wait, maybe you want to take some makeup as an apology?
Sure! My leg! My leg! It hurts! Ah!
Oh, how is the leg?
As you can see, it's broken, and now it's hard to walk.
Please, let me help you a bit. Get well!
Hey, psst! Chloe! Oh my! Sophia! What happened? Oh, nothing! It's fake! Just need to smash this cast. The policeman walked in just in time to see Sophia smashing her broken leg. And actually, Sophia hid plenty of makeup for Chloe under the cast. Whoops! I'm not here! Quick! Hide before he wakes up!
Heaven!
Oh no! Where to put this makeup? Where to…
Oh!
Chloe saw some burgers on the officer's table. And she definitely has an awesome idea for how to use it. Just be sneaky and quiet, so the policeman won't notice you. Hello, sir.
Do you have any makeup with you?
But no makeup, just burgers for my friend in jail.
I need to check you. Come on, come on.
What? No problem, sir.
Oh. Okay. Let's see.
Chloe's x-ray seems normal, but the officer can't resist the burgers Chloe left on the table. Oh no!
Oh, it looks so delicious! Just one bite! Huh? What is all this about?
Dear officer, you are eating too many burgers. You're going to put on a lot of weight. It's better to eat healthy. Please enjoy this carrot. And I am going to visit my friend, if I may. Charlotte! Oh, food! Great, I'm so hungry! Stop! Look, you silly! It's all faked. Inside is makeup for you! Oh, makeup is way better than food! Oh, I am so happy right now!